Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover permanently deleted files from your computer. This trick works if you accidentally deleted a file, emptied the bin, or formatted a drive. Just note, recovery is not guaranteed 100%, especially if that space has been overwritten, but it works in many cases. Alright, let's begin by downloading and installing Recuva. Open your browser and go to the official Recuva website. I will put the link in the description box below for easy access. Click on download free version. Click free download under the free plan. On the next page, click download again. Once the file downloads, open it. Now click install. Once done, hit run Recuva. You will see a welcome message. Click next to proceed. Then it asks what type of files you want to recover. You can select all files if you're unsure, or choose specific types like pictures, documents, videos, etc. For the purpose of this video, I will choose all files. Then click Next. Next, it will ask where the files were deleted from. If you remember the folder or drive, choose it. If not, just select I am not sure, then click Next, and Recuva will scan your whole system. Here's an important step. You will see an option to enable deep scan. This takes longer, but it searches more thoroughly. Great if your recycle bin was emptied or the file was deleted a while ago. I will check it and click Start to begin the scan. This may take a few minutes depending on your system size. So grab a coffee or just don't delete anything else while it scans. Once the scan is complete, Recuva will show a list of files it found. You will see the file names, locations, and a colored dot beside each. This tells you how likely it is to be recovered. Green dot is excellent condition, yellow dot is partially overwritten, red dot is unrecoverable. Check the box next to the file or files you want to restore. Try choosing ones with green or yellow status for best results. Now click Recover at the bottom right. Recuva will now ask where to save the recovered files. Don't save it to the same drive where it was deleted. That might overwrite other lost files. Pick a different drive or folder, click OK, and done. Your files are now recovered. And that's it. You now know how to recover permanently deleted files on Windows. If you found it useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for topics you want me to cover, please drop a comment below. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.